Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download a theme kit in DLS23. So as you can see, I'm now in DLS, and if I want to download the theme kit I need to go to Safari or Google Chrome, something like that. And I need to go to the site dlskits.com. So you can just type this in Google and this website will pop up. So this site will redirect you to this homepage. And here you see, first of all, a lot of ads, but you can just ignore that. But you need to tap on those three stripes in the right upper corner of your screen, and then go to DLS 2022 kits. And here you see a lot of teams. So you see Premier League, DLS, Dream League Soccer 2022 kits. You see a lot of other kits like La Liga, Serie A, Bundesliga, France, Europe. I see a lot of other kits as well. You can just go again to the top of this website, tap on those three stripes, tap on this little arrow on the right of this menu, and you can just see some popular teams, like for example Paris Saint-Germain. Close this ad, and right here you see PSG Home Kit 2022-2023. So when you copy this URL, so you can just select it, then copy this link, and then you can go back again to DLS. Then you tap on your name. Then you tap on your club, customize, and here you can tap on you see now my home kit is selected, as you can see right here. So you see the home kit, you see the third kit, away kit, and this home kit. And you select which kit you want to change. So for example, this home kit in this case, this is now selected, and you tap on this link icon in the left down of your screen. Right now you see a delete icon because I have already added the kit to my to my players, to my team. But you just need to paste that link that we've just copied in that place, and this will easily add the kit to your players, and you can play with that team, with the team kit of your favorite team, or just any team that you have the link of. And you also can change your logo when you go to my club, customize, tap on logo, and again tap on custom logo, paste the link, and then you're done. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.